What's up, everybody? Yeah, so my name is Alice Amy. Yeah, so guys, you are so much welcome to this vlog. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for clicking to this vlog, and kindly take a minute and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, we are growing, like I always say. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. So guys, it's get ready with me. It's been long since I did such a vlog, so I just want to take a walk, and I wanted to look good a bit. This is me in factory default. This is me when home. This is me when you visit. Yeah, so let's start this vlog. It's not going to be a long one. It's just going to be a very short time, but meanwhile we can just talk about a few things. Can just do a story time, you know. I'm looking for my earring. So guys, I'm not going to do a lot of makeup. It's just a simple makeup. I understand someone is like, but Alice, why do makeup? I mean, you're just taking a walk. And let me tell you guys, it's really so important for you to look good when going out. Not generally going out like maybe for a party, not for occasions, but it's very important to just look good at any time. Yeah, at any time. So as you can see, I began with a foundation this time. I don't normally start with a foundation. I normally start with my eyebrows and then the way I was trying to clear the foundation was not right. You'll damp. They call it dabbing. Yeah, you just damp. Yeah. I don't know if I'm just doing I'm using the correct word, but I think I've done that in my previous makeup video. If you haven't watched it, that clip, you can just go through my videos, or I can leave the link just right in the corner on how you're meant to, put up the foundation for it to balance on your face. It's very common with women who are married. I mean, some of you, you're not attractive. Like, what do I mean? I mean, before that guy married you, or before he proposed to you, or before you became someone's wife, you used to take good care of yourself. You used to look so attractive. And now that you're married, you look all you want. Ladies, let me tell you, do not change from what you were just because you have found a partner, just because you're now married. I mean, keep that look the same or even extra than it was. Just ensure that you look more attractive than you were. It's really so important, because each time you do that, I mean, your partner gets more attracted to you, which is really important, that you're not giving him room to look elsewhere. Hey, can I get a thumbs up for that? Yeah, so so far those are my eyebrows that I have done, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to conceal. It's also important that you shape your eyebrows before doing the shaping. You shape them with how do they call it, laser braid. Yeah, you shape them before drawing them. Yeah, so that's me concealing. That's how I do normally conceal. And guys, this is just a simple makeup. It's not details. Now, how much more, or how about if I do the other makeup? Yeah, so you guys should start tagging me. Make me your makeup artists for those small parties. You're going for a birthday party, just tag me along, or not tagging me, just go to my IG, talk to me, tell me you have a birthday, you need to look good, you need to glam yourself, and yeah, we can plan. Much as I'm a part-time person, I'm full-time working, but we can plan. Yeah, and we are still concealing. You notice that I have done a big eyebrows. They are kind of big, but I love them. And then I'm also going to clear the concealer just to ensure that my eyebrows look natural, like they don't show like I have done a lot on them. Probably that. So how do I look? So always ensure that when you use a concealer, always ensure that you try to clear up the concealer. It should not be visible. Like you see, mine is still visible. It should not be. It shouldn't be all over your eyebrows. It's very important to look natural, to make your eyebrows look natural. Yeah, and next is the powder, or you guys can call it powdered foundation. So the next thing I'm trying to put are the eyeshadows. I choose gold since putting on, my outfit is black all throughout. So I choose gold just to lighten up myself a little bit. I choose gold and pink. Pink is just right in the corner, but a little. And we are coming to the last step, and that is the lips. And I'm just using a brown pencil, and I'm going to blend it with some other color. It's a nude lipstick, but I can't give the color. I can't tell the color of the lipstick. I don't know how it is called, but I think you guys will be able to see. And There we go. So I love that nude, nude. Hey. Yeah, but I love my lips because they also look natural, kind of like, okay, a bit. It doesn't show so much that I've applied lipstick. And now my crazy hair. I really love this wig. It's a very nice wig, and I really have the confidence I have when it's on my head, because it looks like my own hair. See, guys. Yeah, and we are coming to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly take time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is my simple me looking good, awesome. And if you were a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching to the end. Tell me what next video you would love me to do for you guys, and of course your wish is my command.